Good morning to all. First of all, I congratulate all the doctors on the Doctors' Day. As per Sigmund Freud, the greatest psychologist, has rightly quoted about doctors. The doctors should be opaque to his patients and like a mirror, should show them nothing but is shown to him. Doctors save lives, but their importance goes far behind that. Doctors are the medium who infuses life in those patients who are in jaws of death. I personally feel they are next to God. They are the savior. They give strength to hopeless patients to fight back. They are the strongest pillar between the life and death. They take care of their patient and they take out of their patient out of pain, and we can say that they help them to recover from illness by motivation and by encouragement. They help those patients who are physically injured, emotionally traumatized, and we can say and maybe economically unstable. Doctors' importance cannot be neglected on economic front. They improve health and fitness of citizens so that they can boost economy of their country. Their service to humanity is priceless. In pandemic, their contribution is valued worldwide. They are risking their life to save patients from deadly virus. They are honored not only by their patients who have recovered, but by the government also. In the end, I can say that the doctor and paramedics are actually serving the nation and humanity, and we should value their sacrifice and assess their immense pain they take for their patient. They must be valued for their duty toward nation and humanity.
This is Anshika Katoj here presenting a speech to show gratitude and thankfulness to the medical authorities, especially doctors, on the occasion of National Doctors' Day. Every year, 1st of July is celebrated as Doctors' Day across the country in honor to the legendary physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai. Doctors are appreciated for being hardworking, for being passionate, for their contribution and much more. But from past 4 to 5 months, the true heroic value they have shown over had increased the level of love and respect in our hearts to infinity for them. Right now, we are facing the worst situation. The world is facing that pandemic that has never expected by anyone. In this most challenging test faced by the humanity, what has kept our spirit and hopes keep going on is only the incredible courage and commitment displayed by the doctors and their medical staff. Due to their hard-working nature and their determination, around 3 lakhs of patients have been cured so far, and you will be glad to know that a recovery rate is rising day by day, and it is 60% right now, which was only possible due to these heroes. They are working day and night with no regards to their own health. So at last, I want to say that thank you for being there. Thank you for making the difference in your patient's life. You are the real heroes. You are the warriors. You are the saviors. We all have seen Spider-Man, Batman, Superman in the movies. But now, collectively, all these characters are being displayed in one personality, in one passion, in one job, and that is being doctor. Thank you for being there. Keep going. The whole nation is with you. We will win. We will definitely win. Thank you. That's all.
Hello everyone. I am Rudrash of class 4. As we know, today is Doctor's Day. A doctor is considered to be the god, and during this period of COVID-19, doctors are warriors who are fighting the disease on front line and putting their life at risk to keep us safe. So I want to say thanks to protect our community. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello, friends. I am Shanju from 2nd standard. Today I am here to say some lines on doctors. We celebrate Doctors' Day on 1st of July. A doctor works with sick or injured A doctor is considered to be God. A doctor treats everyone equally. A doctor is a dedicated person. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kavya Verma. I read in second class. Today my topic is doctor. A doctor is an important person. Doctor is just like a God for the patient. Doctor does not have much time for sleep. Doctor save many lives. A doctor work day and night. A doctor fight disease and death. We should be grateful to the doctor. Thank you. Good evening, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Mutali. I study in second class. Today I am say some lines for doctors. The doctor are the born direction from God for us. God cannot be everywhere, so he said the doctor with perfect and kind. I wish that your days turn to be as healthy and wonderful as you do it for your patient. Happy Doctor's Day. Thank you. Morning all of you. Myself is Arnav Narayal. I read in second class in Paramaranth International School, Bajnath. Today I will speak the poem on Doctor's Day for our doctors. Doctor, what a barrier! You dismantle every health barrier. Lack of hope does invite against all virus. You are ready to fight. Someone's husband, someone's wife. You save people life. Situation difficult, odd, no doubt.